So now we have a strata, which
I love stratas.
well, it's sort of like the lazy person's quiche, right?
Yeah, exactly.
There's no crust, and it uses bread. So we start with eggs. We have 6 eggs, and then we're going to put in some milk. Here, you can pour the milk in.
Okie dokie. Tell me when.
All.
Oh, a lot of milk. That's a custard. All. I like all in
I was going to
cooking.
say you like all.
It's a fun word. All.
This was 10 ounces of frozen spinach. We thawed it. We squeezed it out to get the water out, chopped it up. A little bit of ham, like a cup of deli ham.
All.
All. Cup and a half of cheese, something that's melted.
Oh! Well, most.
I've never heard people get excited about cheese so much. That's
Isn't
great.
it great? That's why I love being in studio versus working at home. We love to work at home too, John and I, up in the woods together. But what I love being in studio for is every time you say cheese, people freak out.
Is everybody here from the dairy board or something?
I know, right?
You're all from Wisconsin.
It's so fun.
So we had a casserole dish. We sprayed it or just covered it with about a tablespoon of oil. And we'll put that in.
All.
There we are.
Delightful.
Now, you can do this ahead of time.
That's right. That's the beauty of it.
You can let it sit in the fridge overnight, throw it in an oven for about an hour, 375. We'll put a little cheese on top. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Put a lot of cheese on top. Okay. And then...
It's so depressing when you go home, though. Nobody cheers for you.
Well, that's a long topic. We could discuss it another time. What happens when you go home and cook, right? Nobody says anything. Foil, put this in an oven for about 25 minutes. Take the foil off, finish it for another half hour. So it's about an hour.
You put the bowl on the book. Don't ruin the book.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll put the book on the bowl.
Yeah, there you go. Give me the book. I want the book. We need it at the end. Okay, come on down. Now, da-da-da-da! You guys are going to be happy about Chris being here today, too, because everybody goes home with the book.